cart mods. Well, that's your problem right there. The casters are way too small.
Get
What I'm gonna do is remove the knob hocks.
Getting those fasteners loosened is important.
They're a little tricky at first. Well, that's your problem right there. Okay, here we go. Last of the install.
Torquing down our China 40s onto our Chevrolet.
Much better for a car. Whoa, we're all done with the off-wheel cart.
Getting those axles upgraded.
Don't hear how she works now.